Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of BMW of Sudbury, we have the 2021 BMW 750i. This one has the M Sport package, the Executive package, Driver's Assistance package. This thing's pretty much fully loaded at $114,300. It's $114,300. But man, is this thing worth it. You can see this one really hasn't been PDI'd yet. That's pretty cool. The cup holders. I mean, check out the legroom in this thing. Have your sunshade goes up. That's your rear shade. Have your own sunroof. Ashtray. Oh, that's for that side. I want to know how to turn this light on, because that's pretty cool. Here's your mirror. How do I turn this light on? That's pretty sweet. But either way, this thing is an absolute beast of a car. Not sure how that turns on, but sure, somebody in the comments will tell me. So this one has the 523 horsepower twin turbo V8 4.4 liter, made it to the 8-speed automatic. Just absolutely. Let me tell you, the first time I hit the gas, I was absolutely shocked. Reversing camera, you have backup assistant, so it will take the movements that you took to get in here to get itself out. So it's like a replay of how I drove the car. And we can go for a drive. I think this I don't know how that turns on. That's gonna annoy me now. Gonna be driving it in sport mode. No Sport Plus on this one. Not designed to be a sports car. This thing is designed to be the most luxurious ride in town. And man, is it. Air suspension on this model. This is the closest thing to driving a Rolls Royce as I have driven since I've driven the Dawn. It is almost like you're just not driving. Especially, I can actually go ahead and put it into comfort mode. And then it's just like driving the Dawn. Maybe the Dawn's just a little bit more luxurious, obviously, but even so, it is really impressive. Now, these are some big bumps, raised sidewalks. I cannot even feel them. Obviously, I can feel the car move, but it doesn't jolt the car around at all. I'm gonna put it into sport here. Just watch this thing. It just leans back and takes off. I've never driven something like this. And it's just so quiet. I can whisper. This thing, even over that giant bump. Actually, I'm gonna go into comfort, because that's people watching this video gonna want to buy the car for comfort. What? Okay, I couldn't even feel that pothole. In this, you almost kind of like aim for the potholes to see, so you can just see how smooth the ride is. That was insane. You know, like, I hit these bumps at my Challenger and my teeth are gonna fall out. And this thing, it don't even feel like potholes. Like, take this section. Nice E63. This is one of the most surreal experiences. Not only is this thing stupid quick for what it is, it's also one of the most comfortable cars I've ever driven. And for $114,000, honestly, it should be something special, and it honestly is. This thing is really, really good. You also have massaging seats, cooled, ventilated, and heated seats, of course. I mean, this thing is about as fully optioned as any other car I've ever driven. The way it just kind of floats along. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, when I put it in sport mode, the seat bolsters tightened up. Did not expect that. Individual mode. This has no right to be this good. I'm gonna bump the transmission over into sport mode. You know, I want to try the paddles. Like, when you buy one of these, you're not buying one of these to use the paddle shifters, but it's kind of cool. Oh my god. The way this thing just takes off. Now I'm driving an M550 today too. I didn't expect that, but I am driving an M550, which has the same motor, obviously just a smaller chassis. Now, I'm very curious to see what that's like. Royce, this thing is impressive. Honestly, I don't know why you would buy a Rolls Royce when this is out there for a lot less money. Now, okay, Rolls Royce is an experience in and of itself, but this thing, if you want a luxury car, you don't want to spend Rolls Royce money, this exists. This is out there. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.